Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Nowadays, we are reading chapter number 4, Agriculture. Today, we read importance of agriculture. What is the importance of agriculture in our life? The first importance of agriculture is source of livelihood. Livelihood means जीवन यापन करने के लिए जो बिजनेस किया जाता है. Understand? As you know, dear students, agriculture is the main occupation of people from the ancient time in India, not in India, from even all over world. Understand, dear student? Second importance is contribution to the national income. By the agriculture, a country takes its income. Third importance is supply of food as well as fodder. Fodder means chara, which is the food of animal. By the agriculture, we take our food, which is essential for the um, people and human as well as for the animal. From the agriculture, we takes our food, and fodder means for the animal food. Understand, dear students? Next importance is international trade. As you know, we export not the India, all over world. uh, Country, a nation export their product to other market. Understand, dear students? It means agriculture gives the international trade. Next importance of source of raw material. Raw materials means kacha padarth for the industries, for the all industries. uh, the agriculture gives the raw material for their any business. Understand, dear students? If you want to start a business, understand, if a shop, anything, if you start, for it you need a raw material. By understand, dear students, you takes material from the raw material from the agriculture. Next importance is transport. The bulk of agriculture products are transported by railways. The huge quantity of agriculture uh, things is transported by the railways. Understand, dear students? Next importance is foreign exchange resource. Understand what is the meaning of foreign exchange resource? As you know, dear students, a country can't grow uh, all things which is necessary for the human. For it a country import many things from the other country and sell and import many things for the international. Understand, dear students? Because for the climatic conditions are not for the all things um, in a country. For it a country grows. Suppose you can say India import export, which is famous for coffee, tea, uh, species, spices. Here many things India grow. Rice they export other countries and import from the other things from the other countries. Understand, dear students? Next importance is employment opportunity. Employment means Rojgar. Understand? You can see near you that many people's occupation is the agriculture. It gives us employment. Employment means Rojgar. Understand? Next importance is food. By the agriculture we takes food. Understand? If there is no agriculture, we can't take food. Next is economic development. Economic development means arthik development. Arthik development, if a country's agriculture is good, the development will be fine. Understand, dear students? This is the importance of agriculture. Understand, dear students? Hope you understand well. Thank you.